take the first big giant step to improving your FS trading. Take the first big giant step to improving your FS trading. We are on a monthly chart of the US dollar, Canadian dollar, currency pair, and today we want to discuss taking the first big giant step to improving FS trading. I would like to warn traders that it is pointless, to start watching this tutorial without finishing it. So if you do not have enough time to watch the full length of this tutorial, it's better not to attempt to watch it at all. It will be a waste of time. It is better if you have enough time to sit down and to watch the full length of this tutorial, because I'm recording this video for FS traders that are more serious, that are looking for the next step. So they have been in the financial market for some time, they have been trading forex, and they can trade, but they are making few fundamental mistakes. Alright, so it's about somebody who want to train to become a professional forex trader. So if you are looking for technical signal, free signal, this tutorial is not for you. Alright, it's more for somebody who want to train to become to trade like a professional forex trader. Enough of my blah blah blah. So I have three main topic today. Alright, planning your forex trading day. Alright, over trading. Alright, and the economy news. So those three things will help you to take the first big giant step to improving your FS trading. Alright, now as I said to trader before, as always, I would like to say this in all my tutorial. Alright, the price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So don't be surprised when I'm saying this all the time in my video, and don't get upset. For the US dollar, Canadian dollar, the price is consolidating between the level of 13213 and the level of 12477. The median line is somewhere near the level of 12836. If you look carefully on this chart, alright, the price went down from the top of the consolidation to this level, and it went up above the median line. This candle went above the median line. Now it pulled back to retest the median line. Now the price is trying to go up. It's trying to go up, alright? Though the price near the upper side of the consolidation is looking more bullish, because as they sold it this time here, it couldn't go back to the lower part of the consolidation, but it did find a support above the median line. Alright, but one more time, remember that there are traders selling here, on the top of the consolidation. So the best place to buy is above the level of 13213, break above, retest turn around, or somewhere near the median line of the range of this candlestick bar. This is the month of July. This candlestick bar is not yet closed. Alright, very fast. So talking about taking the first big giant step to improving your FS trading, it is essential to understand that the price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So this is what we are talking about here. We have a consolidation that will determine the strategy that we must use, the price structure. But going to the core discussion today, talking about planning your forex trading day. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is to plan your forex trading day. For me personally, I will share with you how I plan my forex trading day. I want to trade when London is open at 8 a.m. London time. Alright, that's 3 a.m. Eastern time. I want to come on my desk and I want to look at the market, the forex market, for the first 30 minutes. Generally, if the price is going to go down, you will see that at the first 30 minutes, the price, very often, the price will go up first. Why? Because if the smart money want to sell, alright, they want the price to go up first, they want to sell high. Alright, and most of the time, if the price is going to go up, the price must go down first. So some trader may say to me, George, okay, that's a very good information. I'll wait. When the first 30-minute candle is bearish, I'll buy. When the first 30 minutes bullish, I'll sell. That's not what I'm saying here. I'm talking about an observation that I have made, alright? But that does not constitute a trading strategy. Alright, but it's good to know that in most cases, if the stock is going, if the currency is going to go down, they will prefer it to go up first. And if it's going to go up, alright, you'll see that also when New York is about to open at 2:30 p.m. London time. That's 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. You'll see that the economy news are released around 1 p.m. London time, between 1 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. London time. Major economy news. So during those times, if the forex market should go up, especially the euro dollar should go up after New York is open, you'll see that before New York is open, the euro dollar will be going down, right? And the first 30 minutes after New York is open, you'll see that the euro start going up, right? Sometimes you will see that before New York is open, the euro dollar may be going up, all right? And as New York is open, the first 30 minutes you continue to go up, and then you start going down. But do not use that, okay, as a trading signal, all right? But we are talking about planning your day. So you want to plan your day. The first 2 hours, when London is open, you want to day trade, all right? If you want to place a swing trade, that's also the best time to trade forex. Planning your day. And then you can go away. You can just go away. If you didn't get anything within those 2 hours, you may wait again, all right, until New York is open at 2:30 p.m. London time. That's 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. This is about planning your day. So best time for day trading, London open 8 a.m. London time, 3 a.m. Eastern time. First 2 hours, you want to day trade, you want to place your swing trade, that's the best time. Okay? Now, you can also day trade again or swing trade, place your swing trade after New York is open at 2:30 p.m. London time. That's 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. But in all cases, when New York is open or London is open, wait for the first 30 minutes to pass first. First 30-minute candle will reveal to you what is likely to take place. Alright? So this is about planning your day. What we have noticed, a lot of forex traders do not know what's going on. They will come and place a trade when economy news are released at 1 p.m. London time, between 1 p.m. London time to 2 p.m. London time. That's the worst time to be in the market. Alright? In the morning also, I will come back to that. I'm talking about planning the day, so I don't want to confuse you now. So the first 2 hours, okay, London is open. First 2 hours, New York is open. Wait the first 30 minutes to close fast, and then, okay, see whether there is an opportunity. The next thing I want to talk about today, talking about take the first big giant step to improving your FX trading. The next topic is about over trading. Do not overtrade. Why do you need to place, all right, 100 trade, millions of trade, but your trading account is not big? So suppose you have £2,000 in your account, $2,000 in your account, and you open trade that take almost 75% of your trading account. What will happen if those trades did not work well? All right. The general rule is to use only 5% of your trading account. So do not overtrade. Rule number 1, do not overtrade. You want to have your high probability trading setup. Okay, so there is a video that I posted at I think 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, the 5 high probability trading setup that one should know. Check it out. And you want to know your trading setup. You want to have, okay, a high probability trading setup that you know. And when that trading setup is in place, that's the only time that you come into the market. If you do not see your high probability trading setup, you are not placing any trade at all. It doesn't mean that when London is open the first 2 hours, you must place a trade. You do not have to place any trade. unless you have your high probability trading setup or your favorite trading setup that is working for you. What is happening, a lot of traders are addicted to trading, which I understand. All right, trading can be very addictive. All right, so they want to place a trade, market is open, I want to trade. You do not have to place a trade, you do not have to trade. If you do not see your high probability trading setup, the trading setup that is paying you, you do not have to place any trade. So do not overtrade. Okay, this is about okay, the steps, the big giant step to improving your FS trading. So that's why I'm saying to you, this tutorial is not for somebody who is looking for trading signal, all right, or technical analysis. It's for somebody who want to train, to improve, okay, their forex trading skills, all right. So you want to know where to step, okay, when to come into the market, okay, you understand what is going on. The next thing that we want to discuss in this tutorial, okay, is the economy news, all right. So if you are trading forex, all right, you must check the economy news. So recently I have recorded a video that I think I titled how to improve forex FS trading without doing nothing. Have you watched that video, or did you watch only 5 minutes of that video? Well, if you watch only 5 minutes of that video, I recommend that you watch the full length of that tutorial if you are a serious forex trader. How to improve FS trading without doing nothing. So in that tutorial, I was telling traders that it is better for a forex trader or FS trader to avoid trading the first week of the month and also between the 15th to the 20th of the month. So if you didn't know that, it means that you didn't watch that video. But if you have time, okay, feel free to watch that video, how to improve FS trading without doing nothing. All right, so that will help you, okay, to improve your FS trading without doing nothing. All right, so now today we want to talk about economy news also, which is part of the first step, the first big giant step to improving your FS trading. So what you need to do, my friend, you want to go to www.forexfactory.com every week. So usually during the weekend you want to go to that website, www.forexfactory.com, and you want to check the economy news. You click on calendar, here it is calendar, and you want to know, you can see now July 17, all this here, right? So beginning of each week, you want to know what is happening the whole week. The red envelopes, all right? When, okay, those high impact economy news are due, especially on Wednesday when we have the crude oil inventory. All right, I talked about all this before, but I'm just highlighting them again one more time so you know exactly what is happening. The trick that you can do is to avoid placing any trade before those red envelopes. You want to wait the red envelope, the economy news are released, and then maybe you wait another 1 hour, the dust has settled because it can be quite volatile, and then you come back and place a trade. Ladies and gentlemen, I do not want this video to be too long. It's very simple. I want to highlight 3 points. Plan your forex trading day. Do not overtrade, and be aware of the economy news. This will help you to take the first big giant step to improving your FS trading. Alright, so planning your day. First 2 hours, London is open at 8 a.m. London time, 3 p.m. 3 a.m. Eastern time. This is the best time for day trading. In fact, this is the best time for day trading. Do not place any trade between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. when during the London, okay, 1 p.m. London time and 2 p.m. London time, do not place any trade. Why? Because of the high impact economy news that are released before New York is open. You can day trade. Another time to trade forex, the best time again to trade forex is when New York is open at 2:30 p.m. London time. That's 9:30 p.m. 9:30 a.m. correction. 2:30 p.m. London time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. the first 2 hours after New York is open. Whenever a market is open, wait 30 minutes before rushing into a trade. Alright? If you want to trade the Asia session, which I do not recommend to anybody, but if that's the only thing you want to trade, do me a favor, wait at least, okay, for Hong Kong to open at 2 a.m. London time. 2 a.m. London time. After Hong Kong is open. And then trade 1 hour and go to bed. Alright? But I do not recommend to trade the Asia session at all. Wait for London to open. Wait for New York to open. First 2 hours. Remember the first 30 minutes. Wait, be patient before you place the trade. Do not overtrade. Concentrate on high probability trading setup that you understand, that has been working for you. If you do not see it, don't place any trade. Don't rush, don't be impatient, be calm and be patient. Let the price come to you. Sometimes you are waiting for the price. You will see, sometimes you see. So price breaks above a trend line, okay? This is happening all the time. Breaks above a trend line like this. So everybody wanting to pull back, okay? Everybody want the price to pull back to retest that trend line. Okay, so that will be a low risk entry point at a support level. But now you will see sometimes the price will drag on, and people will be saying, oh, it's not going to come. And people will just go and buy straight away. And as soon as they buy straight away without waiting for a pullback at the low risk entry point, they probably start going down and they lose. Instead of being very, very patient and calm. You have to be very, very demanding, alright? So you wait, you say, okay, this is exactly what I want. I want to buy at X price, and that's my stop loss, and I'm not going to change it, and that's what I want. And if you don't get that, you don't move. Alright? And sometimes you see that the price will comply with your expectation, and you will be rewarded, because in that case you are in charge of your trade instead of running after the price. Sometimes you may say, oh, I missed a great opportunity. So what? But you did not lose. That's the most important thing. So do not overtrade, placing trade all over the place, alright? Just throwing money all over the place. And then after 1 year, you realize that in fact you lost 50,000 pounds and you didn't gain £1, you know, even $1 profit. Well, what kind of investment is that? So you're giving away, alright, 500,000 pounds or $5,000 and you didn't get anything. And then you're putting more money into it and you think that that is normal. And then if you keep doing it over the year, you can give away a lot of money without even feeling it and knowing it. And then you start thinking of, okay, the things that you can do with, okay, that money. So, plan your day, alright? Do not overtrade, alright? And pay attention to the economy news that are released. Go to Forex Factory. This will help you to take the first big giant step to improving your FS trading. Alright, this tutorial is for traders that are serious and want to trade. And so if you are trading, for instance, and you are not making money, you stop. Okay, you can quote me on that. Stop. Just stop. Maybe there's something else you can do. Just stop. Alright? You are in need to make money. You are not making money, out. Alright? Very simple. If you know that you can trade, alright, but that you are struggling, look where is the problem. So if you have a losing trade, note down the time. So why am I losing? First week of the month, as I told you before, the video that I refer you to, the first video that I recorded before, how to improve FS trading without doing nothing. Do not trade the first week of the month. That will, some traders, that's all they need to do, and that can help them. First week of the month, just laugh, stay away. Can be volatile, can be messy. Go away from the 1st of the month to the 8th of the month. Don't do anything. Just stay away. Alright? If you're going to place a trade, place only one trade per day. That's it. Alright? But in fact, do not trade. If you can't, do not trade. Okay? From the 15th to the 20th of each month, you may stay away again. If you are so desperate to place a trade, place only one trade. And don't place two trades. Alright? This is about how to improve FS trading without doing nothing. Now today we are talking about taking the first big giant step to improving your FS trading. Now the reason why we need to talk like this to traders sometimes is because a lot of traders do not plan their day. So how do you plan your day? All right. The first 2 hours, London is open. The first 2 hours, when New York is open, wait 30 minutes. Okay. Do not overtrade. Only focus on your high probability trading setup. All right. You see it, you smile. You know that this is my high probability trading setup. Okay. You know how to trade it, and then you trade it. All right. You do not see your high probability trading setup. Don't just sell or buy because of the stochastic overbought and oversold. It doesn't work. The price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we deploy. As I'm showing you now, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, is consolidating between the level 13213 and the level of 12477. The median line is at 12836. This is a consolidation. There is a specific strategy to trade this. This is why professionals are trading here. But we do not deploy any type of strategy anywhere, anyhow. The market pattern, the rising channel, the declining channel, the horizontal channel will determine the appropriate strategy that we are deploying. The next step, after you have improved your normal technical analysis, is to go now and learn about the 13 specific Elliott wave pattern. And then you move to the next stage, which is the fractals and the Fibonacci retracement, the Fibonacci extension. Alright, so I've been talking to you now for 21 minutes. I think you have understood what I'm trying to say here. Alright, I hope you find it useful. That's the most important thing for me. Alright, so use your own decision, your own choice, or do what you want to do. But I need to shout about it sometime. And this is what I'm doing here, taking the first big giant step to improving your FX trading, which means you want to be in charge of your decision that you make, be responsible for it, alright? And knowing that, okay, I'm in charge of my trading account, and I decide what goes out, what goes in, alright? Very, very important. So this is about planning your day and knowing exactly when is the best time to come into the market, and also improving your FX trading without doing nothing the first week of the month, from the 1st to the 8th. You know that the market environment is quite tricky. From the 15th to the 20th is also tricky. So you trade only the best time of the month and also the best time of the day. First 2 hours, London is open. First 2 hours, New York is open. Alright? Can that help your FX trading? Let me know. Do not overtrade. Don't take any trade. Alright? Don't just buy and sell and then you give your money away anywhere, anyhow. Do you understand the trading setup? Does that trading setup pay you last time? If a trading setup keep paying you, if a double bottom chart pattern keep paying you, if a double top chart pattern keep paying you, alright, if you know a high probability trading setup that keep paying you, that's what you want to use all the time, consistently. Alright, you are banging on it, you become expert of that trading setup, you are banging on it, you are working it. If you fail one day, you want to look back what has happened. Alright, so no over trading. If one is trading forex, one must always check the economy news. You'll be surprised. Sometimes traders see the technical setup and say, this is my high probability trading setup, that's what George said, I will trade it. But I don't care about the economy news. And then the next thing, they realize that at 2 p.m. Okay, Eastern time, 7 p.m. London time, the Federal Reserve is about to speak. And here they are sitting on their desk, a tall candle pop up in the wrong direction, and they give away, okay, their trading account. You don't want to do that. You want to pay attention to the economy news. I hope you will find this video useful and will put it to use to take the first big giant step to improving your FX trading. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will record another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSCW24 traders, talking about take the first big giant step to improving your FX trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.